right, good morning, people. Friday the 17th. All right, man. Here we go again. Here we go. All right, so we got FFIE up here. Yeah, after I closed up yesterday, I ended up trying to trade this and lost. So yeah, I ended up taking, you know, I had two trades on Goose, lost on both of those, and then with FFIE, I'm like, all right, I took a shot. Shouldn't have been training. All right, looks like I'm live on here, so good, very good, that's working. So anyway, with that being said, yeah, I took these trades back here yesterday. But FFIE's trying to do something. I don't know if it's going to, but anyway, yeah. So I took these trades here yesterday. What time was this? It's like 7:30 my time around, and yeah, just couldn't get it to go. So needless to say, yeah, took like a 5-cent, 6-cent loss on each of those 50 shares. So anyway. But if you look at the 5-minute chart here this morning, it's barking up, right? It's wanting to make some noise. So we're gonna see if it does that. We'll see what else is going on. I don't have the scanners yet until 6:45, and then of course we'll see what TD kind of gives me here. But as you can see, we're just sitting flat. It's kind of, it's running in this zone. We got the 200 all the way up at 792. Got a little gap up there. Pretty decent little gap, almost a dollar gap there. So there's room if this thing wants to get really ridiculous. But anyway, so I'm going to keep an eye on that by just setting an alert, because the market's going to open here shortly and get us over the whole dollar. And then just, all right. Look here, man. This is the market from yesterday. We hit the highs, kind of drifting down, kind of stayed flat. That's the SPY. These are the Qs, and the Qs are getting a little bit more of a lift, looks like. But as you can see here on the daily, it pretty much it held. It went higher. So we'll see. It's Friday, right? So Friday, most likely we're going down, right? I mean, that's what Fridays are generally all about. But not always. But most likely we'll pull back, maybe some consolidation, and then maybe we'll lift off next week. We'll take a look and see if there's any economic data. We had a lot of Feds chatting this week, so it's like, yay! All right, and then let me just quickly, because the bell is going to ring here in seconds. Let's see. All right, and these are my watch. So Apple. All right, there's the bell. All right, so let's. We got another small cap. It's going off. All right, let's go this way. All right, let's see if FFIE does anything. All right, does FFIE want to play? Let's see if this is going to be the one, and if it's not, that's fine. I'm keeping an eye on that, but at the same time, I'm just checking out my swings, see if there's anything that I need to do, that I want to do. Cashed out really good the other day. I think I mentioned it yesterday, but yeah, got like a $260 cash out, which is fantastic, and my portfolio hit an all-time high at the same time. So that was kind of cool, especially after losing $560 on a couple of swings just a few days prior. So that was actually nice. A little gift. Little gift. So very grateful for that. And all right, what do we got, man? Nothing. Yeah, everything's kind of pulling in a little bit, so which is fine. FFIE. Let's see. Yeah, I'd say. Well, you got a major pivot here at 234, so that's possible, or down to all the way down to the 200, which will put it down to $2. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if it wants to get, if it wants to have its own cup of coffee and take a shot. So I'm gonna take a look at my scanner, my free scanner. See if it's going to give me anything at this point. It doesn't look like it. But then, all right, so this one here, let's see, yeah, FFIE's up 48%. All right, DocuSign, this reported really well, as you can see. This is an earnings play. Look at the drop. Look at the drop. Are we going to drop all the way down here? Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. See, now that, I like that. That gets the old nads running. Did I say that? I guess I'm not supposed to say that. But anyway, yeah, right down to 25.76. Let me just see, because I didn't chart this. I just was watching earnings, so I was watching Take Two Interactive. But yeah, now the 100-day, yeah, 100 days actually up here. And look how fast that got bought up. Yeah, see, like I would have really preferred to see it right there. That's me, you know. But it did come down right to this zone, which is obviously a gap from way back here. So that was nice. Yeah, I'll show you the Take Two one later. I don't know if any of you guys played it, but I just couldn't get the news. Like the news, actually the news is screwed up on Take Two all the way across the board. But Nvidia or TD Ameritrade, just the news has been horrible lately. So wow, that was a nice. That would have been awesome, but I wasn't fast enough. Darn it. And yeah, I got a lot of pull going on here with the swings. As you can see, got some dramatic pulls on this. So yeah, profit taking Friday. Got to get Apple up over that 191, and we're gonna go. All right, so let's get back to. Yeah, Docs, that was awesome. Oh, that was awesome. I hate when I miss stuff like that. Darn it. All right, yeah, got to be ready, but, you know, I'm over here chatting. So, you know, chatting and trading is something new. Wow, what a shot down. Darn it. So, okay. Let's see, and then, yeah, Take Two had... That thing was awesome. Oh, this thing's jumping, which is amazing. This thing was down 11% in the after hours. I'm literally sitting here watching this because I like this kind of a play, and I couldn't get the news. The news would not come through fast enough on TD. So again, now I need a scanning service, and I need a news service just to get the news done properly. All right. Back to FFIE. A little bit of a bounce. Up that 234. SGBX. Yeah, really low volume on that. And traffic. HKD below the 200 and really low volume. Oh, look at that. 3 million shares. Just, yeah, not a lot of volume for this particular stock, but look at that. Continuation 446 to 488. I just don't know if there's enough eyes on this thing to make it work. Right, Deutsche Bank came in on it. Look at that. See? But I'll get in the losing ones. I'll be all gung ho on that, but I couldn't just take a shot on this thing. Does it want to go up to 488? Is it going to dip? Is it going to dip? Do we have any major crashes on it? Volume's coming in, and a failure on the trade side, which ended up working out in my favor. But let's see, pullback, and we're getting bought. We're over the $50. We're over the $50. Yeah, that's. I'm going to take a shot here. All right, in at 55, it looks like. Yeah, 55. See if we can hold a $50 and take a run. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's looking nasty. Down, up. Come on, we're gonna buy. We're gonna buy. Oh, that was a lot of selling. 55. All right, I'm going to get in again here. Let's see if we can get over 65. All right, I'm going to trim if I can. All right, let's see. We're gonna pop. Yep, little too slow for me. Just getting some resistance up there, so yeah. Ended up, losing 20 cents on that. So basically a penny a share. All right, well, just write it down so I've got it. Come back to it later. See, now it's just itching. It's like, what do you do here, right? Like, unbelievable. All right, here, let's see if we can get a little more perspective with the 5 minute. Yeah, it's a good little window. It's a tiny window, right? But if we break here and go to 480, we can head in. All right, we're getting some volume. All right, so the buying it's coming in. It's there. It's literally just banging its head. All right, ooh, back down. All right, let's see if we're gonna get bought up off the 9. My blue line is the 9 EMA. Ooh, yeah. That's not nice. All right, so yeah, and that dip's not even getting bought up off the VWAP. Okay, we'll set an alert. We'll come back. We'll see if the thing wants to play. All right, let's see here. Anybody else? What's FFIE doing? Ooh, FFIE's on a run. What's the volume like? 184 million shares already this morning. Oh, it's got to be in a halt. It halted up, yeah. All right, let's see what time that happened here. All right, 37, so 42.40. All right, 42.40. All right, we're about a minute away from a halt play here. There's a little bit of room here. This thing is opened up. Not totally there on the MACD. Breaking out above the top of the Bollinger Band. All right. 42.40, we're 35 seconds away. All right, people. All right. The pressure of it all. FFIE. All right. There we go. 20 seconds. Ugh, the drama. All right. Let's get them ready. All right. Here we go. 5 seconds. 1, and let's see. All right, down. Is it getting bought? Is it getting bought? It's getting bought. And I couldn't get in. I tried to buy, wouldn't let me in. All right, it's coming back down. Is it getting bought? And yeah, I'm trying. All right, I'm in at 95, and I get crushed. Yeah, I gotta get out. Ah. All right, that's 2 losers. Absolutely, FFIE crushed me again. You know what? Kind of done with FFIE. What a crush. 36 cents a share. It slaps me. What a. All right, it's yeah. The buy up is there. Let's see. Let's see. All right, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot, and I'm trying again. I'm in literally right at 3. It's getting slammed down again. I'm literally getting destroyed. Let's see. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna take another shot again. We're coming in at 80. We're coming in at 80. I'm in at 80, and I'm in at 3. All right, you want to see? We're gonna get the buy-in. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yeah, it was looking all right. Come on. Off the 9. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. Come on, baby. Come on. Go, go, go. Go, go, gadget. $3. All right, come on. Come on. All right, we got, yeah, the buying volume's there, man. 92. 93. 94. Come on. Come on. All right. Yeah, I'm just doing it because I'm like, yeah, I'll take a nickel on that. Because what I'll do is if we can get through, if we can make a move towards 3, we'll add for the break of 3. Look at this thing. Oh, it's slow. I hate it when it's slow like this. We got selling coming in. Come on, FFIE. All right, come on. Oh, the pain. The pain of it all. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, I just increased the losses dramatically. Not dramatically. Yeah, I got nickel on the 1. Same thing was happening to me yesterday. Just literally getting beat up for no friggin' reason. All right, well, You got some of it back, but you're actually, yeah, nah, well, not really. Yeah, 'cause you were down 360, now you're down 489. All right, so FFIE is extremely aggravating. It's the volume on mic I miss. Yeah, it's like, I don't know, I shouldn't even be doing this. It's like I'm just literally looking for a trade to take place. We got resistance there. Like, could this thing, could we get 50 cents on this? It's just depressing. It's like, you want one. You just really, really want one to get in your favor. All right, well, yeah, you shouldn't be. It's coming back, but not totally there. What's the volume like? Ooh, really low volume. Over this 1483. Yeah, that's just low. Yeah. No faith in FFIE. And all right, let's see if there's something else on the other scanners. My other scanner should be open now. Yeah. The next best thing was BNRG. So, all right. No. So sad. So sad. Damn. Really? I don't know. Like, I have got to get my head straight because it's like, you just really want to see that win. You want to just kind of feel it. But it's all right. Like, I mean, I didn't do horrible. I gave it a shot. I got myself out, quickly on ASTS. So, not a bad loss, right? I mean, I don't know why. TV's kind of annoying. I'm just going to try to do this again here. It just won't. I want to show you the orders that I put in. I don't know. I just wonder if it has something to do with Charles Schwab taking it over. Just not maintaining the system. Because, like, my order should be here. But ASTS... Yeah, I was playing up here. I was at 455, and I was out. $55 and 57. I think I played, yeah, that's what it is. I played 3 and I actually pulled a little bit of a win. Total loss of 22 cents a share. But yeah, but I was playing right up here, right in this 450, 460 zone. And so the good news is I missed that whole thing. But FFIE kind of hurt me, with that move there. And it looked right. Like the MACD was kind of showing, like, okay, we got a shot here. But that drop there, it really bums me out that it won't show my orders. So I actually have it on the 5-minute as well. No, I just, all right, whatever. We get sidetracked on the technicals, technicalities or the technology of this thing. So, yeah, there's nothing else really has a really big volume that's winning. Yeah, here, let me. I'm going to show you kind of what I'm looking at. There's not. It's like, yeah, you've got FFIE here, and you've got 184 million. This is lagging, so I'm sure that share size is higher. And then, oh, wait a minute, we got a new one coming in here. But again, 228 price point, RCRT. But again, yes, it's low volume. Yeah, I didn't look at that immediately. Yeah, it's got 1 million shares right now, so the volume's really low. But anyway, that's what I'm looking at, and I mean, nice move, but yeah, it just seems like they're all kind of doing the same thing. And the market's holding. Not a dramatic sell-off by any means, but look at that again. It's a slab. Yeah, 2 days in a row of losing on FFIE. It's like, you know what, man? You're just humiliating me now. All right, DESP. So we're getting news here. And got a 17. We got some analysts kind of stepping in. This looks like, yeah, earnings. So analysts are kind of liking the earnings. Up 20% at this point. Yeah. Darn it. Just, yeah, let's have some fun. You know what I mean? Just looking for some fun. Yeah, that sucks. Uh-oh, ASTS. What are you doing? Did that say Space Mobile? Ah, of course. Why wouldn't you play the Space Mobile? Look at this. Right here. Done. it's just the volume on this one is just not great. Yeah, you know what? And I guarantee it's got a bigger float. Yeah. Yeah, the orders are kind of stacked. Let's see. ASTS, is that right? Yeah, it's 112 million float. So, yeah. Not that you couldn't make some money on it, but yeah, it's just a little too heavy. All right. Well, darn it. But I mean, I had a good day. I mean, I had a good week with my swings. Well, for the most part. I mean, I kind of had that big loss last week. I had to finally take on Cloudflare. But yeah, man, when this market just hit its highs, I was able to cash flow out like $260 something. Really great. And not only that, after losing 560, cash flowed 260, and my portfolio hit an all-time high. So, yeah. So there's positive there. There's positive there. FFIE, not part of it. Friggin' FFIE. Very upset. Very upset. FFIE. Alright, so yeah, it's just gonna be a dead Friday, looks like. But ASTS, I mean, you're stacking. Look at all the 444. I mean, yeah, you could break, but yeah, it got bought up. Just, it's too big of a float. So you'd have to kind of, you'd want to get in on, to me, you'd want to get in on a pullback and try to take the ride. So if you were down here and you're like, okay, I think it's going to hold 35, you got a good, you're right against VWAP, but you can see this 446. Again, it's the $0.50. If it can break through, maybe it can confirm and then go. Do I want to sit here for 45 minutes to an hour to get 10 cents? Nah, no, don't. So, all right, well, yeah, I'm gonna put this in just in case. Oh, there's my orders. The orders are now the orders are finally showing up. Yeah, so this is kind of what happened to me. So I bought at 455 and 460. And sold at that. See if I'll put my orders in on here. Nothing on docks. K2 is flat. Yeah, it looks like that's it. I mean, it is Friday. I get it. But yeah, very depressing. It's like, come on, man. You couldn't send me into the weekend with just, a little bit. Man, that sucks, man. Yeah, I lost yesterday, lost today. Haven't gotten a day trade win. But Yeah, I mean, honestly, you did okay. Like, you didn't lose horribly. You know, I mean, I would like to review the FFIE trades here, but it's not. I don't know what the heck. It's kind of annoying. Just show the, just show the orders. Maybe if I expand this, maybe let's see. All right, maybe if I give it a minute, just let it sit. But it's just ridiculous. Yeah, I do want to go to DOS. I really do. I just can't afford to spend the money yet. Uh-oh. We getting a market lift? A little bit? Uh-oh. ASTS. Yeah, and this is just a continuation play. So, alright, guys. Well, yeah, it sucks because, like, you sit here and you're like, alright, well, I guess, let's see here. Maybe we can take a look at, what's coming up next week. And sorry, guys. I'm just rolling through screens here. A little technology. Yeah. Yeah, just no volume. I mean, you got a little volume down here, but that's only up, 1.5%. FFIE's kind of the play, so there's just really nothing there. And, but what we can do here is, let's take a peek at. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we got next week. And let's see, Monday before the open. All right, so Wix. We got Lee Auto. See if there's anything that I recognize. Oh, we're gonna go from FFIE to Fufu. Beautiful. Beautiful. I did not mean to click on that. All right, so that we got that, and then let's take a look and see what we got on economic data. Like who's gonna get chatty. Let's see. No, let me go. Alright, so Monday. Alright, so Bostic is talking at 5:45 a.m. Barr, Waller, Jefferson. Oh boy. Yeah, we got a lot of chattiness happening right around a little before the market and after the market opens. So a little Fed chatty. We got some auctions happening on some T-bills. I don't know exactly what that means. Something I would like to dig into deeper for myself. And, Bonstick is speaking twice. Wow, look at him. Little grandstander he is. And let's see, anything coming up? Tuesday, no. More Fed talk. Always just makes me nervous when these guys are chatting this much. Man, that's a lot of chatting on Tuesday. Jesus. Okay. And going into Wednesday. All right, we get some mortgage news, mortgage applications. See what's going on. We get some existing home sales. That's interesting to me. I follow real estate because that's what I do. They're going to release the FOMC minutes. All right, so next week, nothing. I don't know, did I pass something? FOMC minutes can be it can be a little big deal because then everybody gets to read it and break it down. But let's see if there's anything going on. No, so I'm not really seeing anything there. And, earnings wise, Yahoo Finance. All right, the Dow is eyeing 40,000. That's what they're doing. They're eyeing it. All right. So I think that's it. That's it for today. I'm going to move on with my other work, and I will continue to follow my my swings. Let's see. And Apple's holding. Samsara, I'm really still loving that stock. Looking for a place to add back. Super Micro. Let's put an alert there because I trimmed that position and I wouldn't mind adding back. Arm Holdings, back down again. Up and down with this one. And Meta, getting a little bit of a bounce back. Tesla, Nvidia. So, nothing, and it's Friday. Again, it's Friday. There's nothing to do. Excuse me. So anyway, we're going to call it, and, hey, thanks for hanging out, but there's nothing to do, and I'm not messing around. Fifi took 4 losses on that now. 2 trades yesterday, 2 trades today. I'm going to take one more shot here and see if it'll show my trades. But no. Still refuses to actually show my trades, which is just, just annoying. But anyway, I got slapped around up in here. So anyway, all right, that's it. All right, hope you guys have a great weekend. Again, it's just me talking to me. So I'm going to have a good weekend, I hope. But anyway, all right, Trey Voltage will be back on Monday. We'll see what we can put together. But yeah.